and welcome back to our portfolio building series where I'm helping you create a standout portfolio for your UK NHS applications. In today's video, we are talking about commitment to specialty, one of the most important ways to demonstrate your dedication to your chosen field. Showing that you're committed to a specific specialty not only strengthens your portfolio but also makes you more appealing to NHS recruiters. So let's dive in. Why commitment to specialty matters. Commitment to specialty is a key factor in NHS job applications. Recruiters want to see that you're passionate and dedicated to a particular area of medicine. It's not just about saying that you're interested in specialty. It's about showing your continued effort to grow and deepen your expertise within it. Whether it's attending a specialty specific course or participating in conferences or gaining hands-on experiences, demonstrating this commitment helps recruiters see that you're focused and are serious about your career path. How to show your commitment. Building your portfolio with evidence of commitment to your specialty is all about taking proactive steps to enhance your knowledge and skills. Here are a few ways you can do that. Specialty specific courses. Completing courses that are tailored to your specialty shows that you're advancing your understanding in that area and staying up to the dates with current practices. Attending specialty conferences. Attending conferences not only helps you learn from experts in your field, but also shows that you're actively involved in your specialty's ongoing development. Hands-on experience. Gaining practical experience or taking projects within your specialty demonstrates that you're applying your knowledge in real-world settings and continuously improving your skills. These activities help you build a solid foundation in your specialty and make your application stand out to NHS recruiters who are looking for candidates with focused expertise. Portfolio impact. Adding evidence of your commitment to specialty shows NHS recruiters that you're dedicated to mastering a specific area of medicine. It tells them that you're not just a generalist but a physician who's passionate about pursuing excellence in a particular field. This is incredibly valuable as the NHS values specialists who have clear focus and are constantly striving for expertise in their chosen field. Commitment to your specialty is a powerful way to enhance your portfolio and improve your chances in the NHS applications. If you want help building your portfolio and demonstrating your commitment, our Portfolio Plus program can provide the support you need. Click the link in description to connect with us. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned to unlock the next Portfolio Plus activity.